Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to get unlimited keys and money on Subway Surfers for your iOS and Android devices. So as you can see here, I already entered the game and I'm currently playing it, but now I will be showing you that I have unlimited resources. I have unlimited keys and coins, actually money, in this game. So as you can see, this mode for iOS and Android devices on Subway Surfers is totally legit. The first thing you need to do actually to get it also is to go to appstrike.net website, and then when you enter this website you'll be able to see that there are numerous games which you can use. The game that you need to click on is Subway Surfers Hack, and then you will have to press download now. So this process will take you a couple of moments, and once it's done you will be redirected to our sponsored website. So since all these apps and tutorials and games are completely free, you just need to complete 2 steps actually in order to get Subway Surfers Hack for your iOS and Android devices. So when you get redirected to this website, you will just need to install 2 of the apps, actually 2 of the games, and this won't take more than 2 minutes of your time. So you will just select 2 of the games from here or apps and follow the instructions. For example, we can install iHeartRadio here. So we can install this game, actually this app. So I will download it now. Actually, I will download this iHeartRadio, and once it's downloaded, actually I will open it. So for example, in this iHeartRadio, the instructions on our sponsored website says that you need to stay in this game for 30 seconds actually. So once you open iHeartRadio, you can just stay in the app for 30 seconds. You don't need to do anything specific, or you can just stay in the game. You don't need to log in or sign up and make an account. You can just wait for 30 seconds to pass, and once that is done, you will just have one more step to complete in order to get Subway Surfers Hack, actually, where you will be able to enjoy unlimited keys and actually coins. And this is super amazing because I think this process is really easy to do and to follow. So as you can see here, I'm just waiting now for time to pass before I actually exit this iHeartRadio, but this won't take too much time. So now I will just exit and go back to the website where I've been redirected. So you will just need to install one more game, and after that you will be redirected to the final tutorial with no hidden steps, where everything is explained how you can actually get Subway Surfers Hack for iOS and Android devices. And thank you guys, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and also you can delete the apps once you completed the steps. For example, now you can delete iHeartRadio, and that will be pretty much it actually.